from Pacific University, Udaipur. Topic is commuter's perception towards advertisement. Next. You see, advertisement through auto rickshaw for any product or services refers to automobile is affordable and strong outer medium for advertisement activities. The role of auto rickshaws is inevitable and helps to transfer the transportation in rural as well as urban India. But such kind of activities through auto rickshaws is controversial and legally under inspection in India. But in some state, this study examines commuter's perception toward advertising effectiveness context to auto rickshaw in Vadodara city. Vadodara city is because I belong to Vadodara, and it's a B2 tier city. Next. Objective was to study the perceptions of commuters in context to auto rickshaw of Vadodara city and to evaluate the most influential factor among the studied in context to commuters of Vadodara city. Next. Research questions. Consider the point consumer and advertisement, next consumer and service, next consumer and medium or environment in context of auto rickshaw commuters of Vadodara city. Next. Research gap. You see, this is a B2 tier city of Vadodara is a B2 tier city. The commuter's perception and intensity of person decision towards automation may be differ from other potential cursor, may be differ from metros to non-metro cities. The project is processed through three well-known models like the AIDA, DAGMAR, and next one Lewis and Steiner, hierarchy of effects model Lewis and Steiner in 1969. So this study may help on understanding on purchase behavior of commuters using auto rickshaw and bridges the knowledge gap between perception towards advertisement and its effectiveness. I think it is available in Delhi. Advertisement, one limited company is there. Implications of this study. The actors and advertising effectiveness through auto rickshaws. The evidence from this study suggests that commuters have different level of intensity on purchase decision making process from the normal banner based advertisements. Advertisement also communicates brand image, matches social cultural needs, creating good environment to target marketing, localization of advertisement, replacement, flexibility and customer loyalty. See, this is the literature review, just I want to switch over, sir. So one I have taken from the literature review. Just for the okay. Next. Research methodology like this: target population auto rickshaws, sampling technique convince, sample size 1400 approximately, total population approximately from, because Vadodara city is 160 square kilometer. Type of data primary, factors consumer advertisement, service, medium and environment, items 40. Each factor has 10 items, statistical data analysis tool, IBM SPSS. These are the hypotheses. No significant relationship between consumer and his perception of advertisement, between consumer and perception of services, between consumer and perception between medium and advertisement. Next. Scaling demographic is like this: male, female, age group, less than or 35, young, middle aged, and senior citizens, married, unmarried. This is the actually demographics. Right? Next, this is a scaling technique, whether the 5-point Likert scale is actually appropriate or not. Alpha is 0.888 and this is 7. That could be excellent, excellent, good and good. We move for the further investigation. Next, discrete statistic like this: standard deviation, mean, which I got from the SPSS as output. Next, factor analysis. For consumer, factor 0.7, for advertisement 0.8, for service 0.8, for medium environment 0.7. So we can move for the further investigation. These are actually the subpairs of factor analysis, total variance for all the consumer, advertisement, this one, and medium and environment. These are the communalities 0.99988. These are simply relax the correlationship. Next, rotated component matrix. This is also component to 0.9, 1.34, 0.8, 0.812. Next, this is the important part of this regression analysis. Consumer is considered as a dependent variable. You see, adjusted R square, which is 0.831 between C2 and A5. C2 and A5 are shown here. You can move for the questionnaire one. You just see me the questionnaire. The objective, conclusion of the objective one of the study is satisfied. You see, the main is like the objective one is actually appropriate with this model. Objective 2 of the study is also focusing on higher significant result correlation relationship between the items covered for the study. C2, that means my mood is affected by the advertisement. This is the item from my questionnaire. And A5, it is also, I see loyalty of the customers can be retained through advertisement on the auto rickshaw. They are correlated very nicely, 0.831, that means 83.1% correlation is there according to my study. So they are where it is coordinately with each other. Some limitations are quite mentionable with terms like time constraint, area of research, longitudinal effects, acquiring criterion data, limited source of prior research studies, sample size determination item considered for questionnaire to the collected parameter data and glossary used for writing a paper. Further research can be held. Next. These are the recommendations. Advertisement should be considered a recognized industry by Government of India. Advertisement is cost effective. It can play a role of social responsibility. Non-commercial advertisement on social service should be made mandatory by the enactments. Advertisement can be good tool on matching socio-cultural needs of customers, and so that advertising agencies should think over it. Thank you.
Any question on this? I mean, the presentation is very good. I just want to ask you a question, like, is there any some legal issues involved? Sometimes sensitive matters.
Yes.
Can be, I mean, some politicking of sensitive issues can be done. अभी यहाँ दिल्ली में हुआ वो केजरीवाल साहब, मोदी साहब, शीला दीक्षित and other they were portrayed in bad way. Some politicians, some personalities, something which you like or dislike, they can be portrayed in a negative way. That can harm the image of a person. So is there any need for some check, legal rule, regulations, or
There must be some rigor.
because people are watching, impact is very large on every type of population. So there is a need for some, I mean, mechanism, I don't know. It is a
There must be
topic to be
in
discussed.
countries, in advanced countries, there are some provisions in the rules. I think so. Don't worry.
Any question from the audience side, student side? Please.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I can give my email ID even if you want some in detail answers of your questions. That will be a far better due to some time constraint. No problem.
So my question to you is that sometimes we see that behind the autos some advertisement related to health, like you can lose weight by eating this or in just 5 days and many other things. So these I don't think are good for health of the public. So will this affect or this gives a negative impact on the public, that if they will use such kind of products it can hamper their health also?
This is broadly my question on certain issues just to, I mean, sensationalize, क्या कहेंगे उसको, that can be done. I mean, playing with the sentiments of the
Yes,
people.
ma'am. Actually, that is the suggestion. That is not your question within the limits of my presentation. So your feelings are right, but sir has told it very nicely and he explained it.
Just take note of the suggestions and try to, I mean, see wherever it could be incorporated in your
Yes, sir.
research.
Yes, sir.
Any suggestion? Anyone want to supplement it?
Good afternoon, sir. So you have said the dependent variable, which is the customer, and the independent variable is the advertisement part, and you have find out the unrestricted R square to be like 82%, I think.
83.1, the highest.
So my question is that you are taking one aspect, like independent variable, you have taken only one part. So if I incorporate other variables also, so how your study will be influenced by those variables? So what extent your study will be influenced?
These are the limitations of my study, no?
So you are taking the pre-assumption
Yes,
that
I have taken according to my literature review. My literature review focusing only 4 to 5 factors only. So I can actually add something like that more. Just you are telling me.
so this study will not be a generalized
Yes,
study, I
it
believe.
can be. Yes, there can be further study can be done. Nothing is wrong. Actually, you can also do the same with this topic by considering metro just like a Delhi.
But how can we just
So you can add it. You can add it, sir. I can also add it. Questions should be, sir. Actually, question in any house, it is for the knowledge gaining, not for the knowledge testing. What I am telling you, my
So
student.
sorry to say that, but
No,
I'm
no.
not testing anything, but I'm just
No,
asking.
no, his
No,
question
no,
is,
yes, I am agree with you. There may be some faults. There is some limitation in my research. This is tentatively what I see. What I have seen as being a research scholar in Baroda city as a B2 tier city, and I perceive like that. I have to get some research on this particular topic. So I made a paper set like this and sent to Rukmani Devi. And I got an opportunity to present here.
The conclusion
This is not a
is-
final. This is not a final.
the conclusion is, in research there is no full stop. ठीक है?
Research,
You have
search,
to-
research.
It is going, evolving.
Going and going.
Every time new variable, new dimensions are added. He has taken few dimensions because of certain constraint.
Yeah.
Could be time, could be knowledge, could be literature available, and the scope of the study. But further, more could be added. It also varies from city to city. Metro dimension could be different. If the same study is to be conducted in
that was only my question.
if the same study is to be conducted, then maybe variable are different in Delhi,
That's right.
Calcutta or Chennai, and Vadodara the variables might be slightly different. But it has thrown light on certain variable, which could be a starting point for discussion and further study in a metro context.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Sudhar.